How do I memorize details related to a PMBOK process? So I keep getting these questions because test takers, especially who could not make in their first attempt, struggle with this problem a lot. Now, I keep advising against memorization, but at the same time, you do need to understand all the PMBOK processes, and ideally you should not have a need of memorizing, but it should just come in your mind. Now, how do you achieve that? You might try it multiple times, but you keep missing. Now, I have some advice to share with you, which probably may work for you. Now, whenever you are working in your office as a project manager, as a project leader, whatever types of activities you do during the day, start mapping them against PMBOK processes. That, okay, somebody called you and wanted to have a conversation with you for a particular subject, and you are having conversation there. Now, think of what you are doing. Which of the PMBOK process are you in right now? What are the inputs you are taking and what are the outputs you are generating from it? You are writing an email communication to the stakeholders to update them about something upcoming milestone. Think about what I am doing here. Okay, I am processing this information, I am presenting it in a readable format, and I am sending an email to stakeholders. Now, which process I am in? When somebody comes and start complaining about some other fellow and you go and resolve conflict, start thinking in which process I am in. Now, if you start relating your day-to-day work with all the 49 processes, and there is a possibility some of the processes may not get frequently executed in your daily life. Something like procurement, you may struggle that, okay, I hardly get involved in doing procurement. But my guess is if you are doing project management in structured organization, you may cover more than 80% of PMBOK processes during your working week. Now, getting those 80% in your mind as a way of feeling, as a way of experience, will help you to get the remaining 20% as well. And the good news is that you don't have to memorize it. It will just come directly in your head. And the way it comes in is, it gives you a deeper understanding than what is written in the PMBOK, and that is something which is getting tested in your PMP exam. The PMP exam is not validating that, do you remember what all is written in PMBOK 6? That's not the objective. The objective is, can you apply the project management knowledge, some of them given in PMBOK 6, in your day-to-day project management? Now, the application of that knowledge is something is getting tested, not the knowledge alone. And by doing this practice, you can develop a better and deeper insights about these processes. Now, this is, I am telling you, not just like a theory or my idea. I have been giving this advice for more than 6 years, and many test takers come back and share their experience that yes, they got significant amount of benefit by practicing what I am sharing with you. So it's a proven technique, just make use of it. Start living your life from the PMBOK point of view. You don't have to memorize it anymore.